Well, it's one of the state's most controversial law bills in years, the right to drive while using medicinal cannabis.
Supporters say it will be life-changing, but furious opponents claim it could cost lives on the road.
A police demonstration of how speed impacts braking, a long weekend safety message to drivers. On a day, drug driving laws face a major shake-up.
One of the most dangerous periods on our road, and the signal that the government is sending is it's okay to drive while impaired.
We know that there's opposition to this reform. We haven't embarked on it lightly.
Allowing drivers using medicinal cannabis to avoid penalty if they have a valid prescription.
We don't want to treat people who are legally and responsibly taking cannabis as if they're criminals.
At police drug testing points, if a driver tests positive to the active ingredient THC, a 24-hour driving ban. And if their lab results are above the limit, a warning letter. Get caught 3 times within 2 years, it's then
sanctions of up to $704 and a suspension of their licence for up to 3 months.
Army veteran Michael James uses cannabis for PTSD, pulled over by police last year.
The embarrassment. I'm an ex-military policeman. I obey the law.
It's totally isolated me. I have a car, but I cannot drive it.
Backed by a high-profile medicinal cannabis patient, rugby league great Andrew Johns, for seizures.
I wake up, I'm not altered at all, there's no hangover, I'm not cloudy.
1 million Australians use medicinal cannabis, up to a third of those in New South Wales. And in this state, in the last year, the number of cannabis medicines dispensed each month has doubled.
I took my THC gummy last night. I had the best sleep.
But the opposition says the proposed law change is reckless, with the level of driver impairment from cannabis still unclear.
An injured child or an injured person does not get 3 strikes.
Bridget Saker lost her daughter struck by a drunk drug driver in Oatlands. Sympathises with cannabis patients.
But that doesn't mean that it gives them the right to get on the road and endanger people's lives.
Chris Marr, 7 News.